Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi. Today I will be sharing my recipe on how to make nasi goreng kampung. Alright, first of all I will introduce my ingredients that I will using for making nasi goreng kampung. Alright, let's go. Alright, the first ingredients is the mixture of 3 items that I'm using. First, that consists of 3 items. First, 3 chili stalks, garlic, and the lastly onion. Alright, we go to second ingredients. Alright, this is my favorite ikan bilis. I'm so excited to put this ikan bilis into my nasi goreng kampung. This is very delicious and scrumptious. Alright, next. I'm also will using this chicken breast to put into my nasi goreng kampung for extra ingredients. Then here I have 2 mixture vegetables. First, carrot and cabbage. Alright. This is most important ingredients that I have to use, because without rice we cannot make nasi goreng kampung. Alright. Here I'm using brand Faiza Jasmati because it's more healthy and no more calories. I prefer to use this brand. Alright. Next we have 2 seasoning. First we have salt. This is salt, and this is Maggi cukup rasa. Right. Alright. This is, we have first chili sauce. Alright. The second is soya bean sauce. Alright. Alright. Now we can cook for making nasi goreng kampung. Alright. First, we need to heat the oil. Heat the fire. Sorry. Alright. Next, we put this oil into the wok. Right, enough. Wait for a few seconds. Now, this is the correct time to put this mixture. Alright, put it slowly. Alright, we must remember to stir this mixture. Don't forget to stir. Alright, then we put this ikan bilis. Put it on. Put all this ikan bilis. Alright, stir. Right, the next step, we need to put this chicken breast. The smell is very nice now. Don't forget to stir. We must make sure the chicken is have enough have cooked. Alright, then we put this mixture vegetable. Put it on. Actually, I prefer to use many vegetable because it's more healthy. Right, wait for a few seconds. Right, next, now we put this rice. Oh, I forgot. Actually, I need to put this chili sauce and soya bean sauce. Right, put it now. First, we put this chili sauce. Right, enough. Then, soya bean sauce. Right, enough. Okay, stir. Don't forget to stir because we want to right, then we put the salt. After that we put this seasoning, Maggi chicken rasa. And now put this seasoning. Okay, done. Okay, chill. Right, now it's already to eat. This is the result. Oh, looks very nice. I'm hungry now, so I want to eat my nasi goreng kampung with my parents. Right, now I will present my nasi goreng kampung into the plate. Tada! This is my fried rice. Now I want to eat my fried rice. Or nasi goreng kampung. Let's go to eat my nasi goreng kampung. Tada!